another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we're going to be chucking a exterior door handle into this 2007 to 2012 Hyundai I20. I'm pretty sure these are a really straightforward job. It's literally probably only going to take 5 minutes, which I'm very happy about. I believe that it's just a screw on the inside of the door, literally just here. You pop that lock barrel out, you pull the handle out, you put the new one in, you smack the lock barrel back in, and the whole job will be done just like that. I'm hoping. We're going to see. Now, if you are interested in getting a replacement door handle for your i20, make sure you check out the link that I've left in the description of this video. That will send you directly to our website at partsfactoryoz.com.au. We can deliver this handle out to you, even sometimes as quick as 2 days postage. It's free express post Australia-wide. So yeah, make sure you check that product out. Guys, if you are in the market doing DIY install tutorials for yourself at home to save you some money, give us a subscribe. That way you can see all the videos that we release, etc, etc, etc. Yeah, save yourself some money, do your own repairs at home on any vehicles that you have, and yeah, you can save a lot of money doing it that way. Alrighty guys, let's jump straight into this video. Right, first things first, we're going to pop this little cap off the door here. You should just use a flathead screwdriver and just pop it out like that. Now you look inside that hole and you'll see there's a 10mm bolt. You should now be able to just simply pull that lock barrel out, just like that. We'll move that to the side. Now the lock barrel's been removed, you should just be able to grab the door handle, slide it towards you, and it should just pull out like that. Right, so a few things real quick. Some of you might need to replace this lock barrel cover here. In order to do that, it's literally just a flat blade screwdriver. Stick it in here, just pop it off, and then pop your new one back on. Then the same thing with the door handle. Obviously your door handle will most likely be snapped. Some people buy them if they get scraped, etc, etc, but yeah, yours will most likely be snapped. So when you pull that out, you obviously need to use a pair of pointy nose pliers and just pull that piece out that's snapped, or if not, it might have actually already fallen into the door. In that case, you should be right to leave that chunk in the door as long as it's at the bottom. Give it a shake, get it all the way to the bottom, just leave it. And yeah, obviously you put your new one back in. I'll show you how to do that. But before we go any further, if you are interested in having the door handles color coded to your car, best way to do that is take your car to Super Cheap Auto. They do color matching on the spot, and then just literally 1 can of spray paint. Right, so I'll be putting this red one back in because there's nothing actually wrong with it. In order to do that, you just put it in like that, and then tuck it in like that, push it forward, lock barrel back in. Sometimes you pull the door handle out and take the lock barrel and the door handle in at the same time, and you can see it sits there nicely. Put the screw back in. Not too tight, probably just 1 click. Everything's working well. At that point, you would then put that cap back on the door. Just pressing it in. Right guys, I hope everything went as smoothly for you as it did for me. This job is literally a 2-minute job actually. It's even quicker than I expected. Difficulty rating, 1 out of 10. Anyone can accomplish this from home. I guess the hardest part will be getting it color matched, but some people don't even do that type of thing. Now guys, again, we do have this product in Australia ready to be shipped. I believe the price as of 2022 is $43.30 for the exterior door handles. We do have the interior door handles. A lot of the interior door handles peel the chrome away. So if you're interested in that, we also have that on the webby, www.partsfactoryoz.com.au for any of this type of thing. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I'm Lucas Strapch, and I'll see you next time.